I wanted to do a series of 3 videos and talk more about the types of domain names that you can consider buying at Freename. And up until now, we've done a lot of blog and videos about TLDs, where you own your own top-level domain name, and you can register yourself and build a network of domain names, meaning something to the left of the dot and something to the right of the dot. But the other thing that you can do on Freename is you can buy domain names in existing TLDs. And one of the ways that we talked about you can find out what TLDs there are is by looking at the Explorer. And that will tell you some of the ones that have been recently registered. And in many cases, those are the ones where you might have the best availability. If the person who owns the TLD has also bought the staking program and the royalty program. But if you look at the original set of domain names that existed on Freename, one of the best ones was Metaverse. So I'm going to use that to talk about some of the domain names you might want to consider in Metaverse. And you're going to find that some of them have a regular price and some of them have a premium price. So if you try to get something rare and scarce like 222.metaverse, you're going to see a $3,000 price for that as a domain name. There's only 10 of these names like it in the world, where they have repeating letters, repeat, repeat, repeat. So that's 3,000. Then you may find, if you look at numbers that are 3 numbers long, but they don't have that rarity that's something that has the matching numbers. So you'll see something like 234 that has Metaverse. And these have been popular with people getting different area codes. Or you may find that some other 3 number combinations have premium prices, like for instance 411. But one of the things you can be on the lookout for are different other numbers that all of a sudden mean different things, and you may be able to find them in .metaverse for lower prices, like 168 right now, which has some different meanings. The way it's translated is $2,000, but if all of a sudden 165 develops a meaning, you might be able to buy that, or that was $2,000, you might be able to buy that for $300. So when you think about the types of domain names to buy, and we're going to go over 7 or 8 types, one of them is to get short numerical domain names because they can be communicated globally. Many people, even if they don't understand the English language, they know the English numbering system. And so the alphanumeric system. And the second thing is sometimes numbers can sound like words in other languages. So after this, we'll go on to vanity names.